Activity 8. Drawing a parabola on an Excel sheet. We know that a parabola is a set of collection of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line, but the fixed point is not on the line. So let us take one example, say y equal to 4x square. So this is a parabola and we'll be plotting this one. So to plot this very simple one, what we'll do is we'll take all real numbers, negative as well as positive, including 0. So we'll always write our numbers in ascending order. So first let us say we start from say the number -5. So -5, then we can take -4, and then we can take -3, and then we can take say -2, -1, and then let us take 0. Then here we'll put -1. So -1, and then we have already taken 0, so now 1, and we'll take 2, then 3, and take 4, and then 5. Now next what we'll do is we'll calculate this y equal to 4x square. One thing is that we can manually calculate this, or we can just write this as a form of formula. So what we'll do is we'll write equal to, then 4, then multiplication we know is to be taken as star, so star will take, and we'll take the cell in which -5 is there, so that is x. So but it is square, so we'll take one more time, then star, and then again we'll click on the cell in which -5 is there. So what we are having is 4 star a 3 star a3. Just press enter. So that is what we are getting, value as 100. Let us check it out. We can see that the square of 5 is 25, and what we are getting is 25 into 4 is 100, so it's correct one. Now we can see that in the cell where 100 is there, at the end of the rectangular cell, we can see that a small square is there, green one. So put the cursor on that and drag it. So we'll be getting all the values which are from -4 to -4 to 5, the corresponding value of y. And then what you have to do is select both x and y from the top till the bottom. After that we'll go in insert, and then you can see here there are many informations. Just click on charts. So clicking on charts, you will see that if we just place our cursor on scatter, so what we get is we're not getting a curve, but we are getting the points. So the next one is we are getting a curve as well as the points. In the third one we get only the curve, so we'll take the second one, and we can see here. So this is our parabola. So this is the plotting of parabola. It's very simple one, just as earlier we have done. If you want to increase the area of the parabola, so this is what we can do it by dragging at the corner ends. There are small circles, just put your cursor on that and drag it. And also you can place this anywhere. If you want, just put the cursor here at the border, and then you can shift it anywhere you like. And then here if you click on this square with plus sign, then you have axis titles, and data levels, all is there. And next is this style. So what kind of form you want, suppose this kind or the other one. Say let us use this one. So it depends on the kind of graph you want. Then colors you can change. So for color, just click on any one. Suppose let us so here you can see that it is somewhat whatever color you want, maybe orange or somewhat other color, green color, or you will not take black because it's already black. Then you can click on blue, so you'll be getting blue color. So you can do more if you want. So this is what is the plotting of parabola. Very simple one. You can see that this kind of curve will be getting, and is a part of conic section. That is, conic section means when a cone is cut by a plane, a hollow the cone should be a hollow cone, and when a hollow cone is cut by a plane, what we get is a conic section. So in that we are taking the double cone. So when a double cone is cut by a plane, then what we get is a conic section. And in that also, if the plane is parallel to the generator, and when it's cutting the cone, and the plane is not passing through the vertex, in that case what we get is a parabola. So this is what is a parabola. So with this our activity is complete.